Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new, make sure that you subscribe before you leave, that way you'll never miss out on another one of my videos. I do upload every single week. Today's video is going to be really fun. It's going to be laid back, casual, relaxed. As you can see, I have no makeup on, and what we're going to do today is dye my hair. So I randomly, spur of the moment, spontaneously got this hair dye, and I'm just going to try it out. I'm going to test it out on my hair, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. So this is the Superior Preference by L'Oreal Paris. It's a mousse hair dye, and it's in the color 1021 Lightest Icy Blonde. And also I have this for support. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Here's what I'm going to be using. Here's a close-up of the box. I've never used a mousse hair dye before. Okay, so it comes already prepared. Unlike the other ones where you have to mix it and shake it, it comes with some directions. Is there any gloves in here? No, there's no gloves in here. The gloves are in here. Okay, so this is different from what I'm used to. I'm used to, like, you know, the ones where the glove is in here. But these are nice. Oh, they give you 2 pairs of gloves. Okay, so these are nice black gloves. Usually they give you some nasty looking plastic ones. But, okay, so, oh, and this is the shampoo. We don't have to mix anything. We can just go ahead and get started. Okay, so first thing that I'm gonna do is just brush out all the tangles from my hair. So it says to shake it vigorously. That's the best I can do. And then you just kind of separate the hair into sections and put it on. So I'm gonna do it on my roots first, just because roots take a little bit longer for me, at least, just because it is, like, my natural hair color is super dark black. So I'm going to do the roots first, and then I'm going to go ahead and dye the rest of my hair. If you guys can see, the rest of my hair is light brown, so it is going to turn lighter than the roots, but I'm fine with that. My roots look hideous, and I just want to change up my hair color, and let's see if this works. I'm a little bit nervous because this is my first time using a mousse and my first time using a hair color that's so light. First, what I'm going to do is put it onto my, oh wow, okay. I'm going to put it on my, oh, it's like whipped cream. And then I'm just going to slather that right on to my roots in the back. Already, I can feel like the mousse spreads a little bit better than the other kind of hair dyes. I don't know what the results are going to look like, but as far as putting it onto the hair, it feels a lot more easier and better to, like, blend it out. Okay, so I'm not a professional. I dye my hair the way that I want to, and it just works for me. This is how I kind of do it. I just separate sections from the back and then move up to the front. It's easier for me. It works for me. It probably looks really scary the way that I'm dyeing my hair. It's not professional whatsoever. I take about an inch down at a time, and I just work in like 1-inch sections, 1-inch increments. I want to make sure to keep looking in a mirror. Like right now, I can see the back of my head through, like, the viewfinder, the way I have my camera set up and mirror set up. I can totally see everything that I'm doing. Especially if you're doing this for the first time, you want to make sure that you see everything that you're doing. And the thing that I like with the mousse is that you don't need a lot of mousse. Like, I put a little blob on my hand, and it's just going a really long way and spreading out pretty evenly throughout my hair onto my roots, and it's saturating the hair, which I like. And I don't usually use like a hair dyeing brush or anything. I just use my fingers just because I feel like it's easier for me to spread it out and spread it around wherever I want to. I make sure to get like the bottom and then the top part as well. Okay, so I'm gonna finish up the rest of my hair in the back, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys kind of how I do the front. Okay, so hopefully I am in focus in the camera, but I'm just going to start doing like from one side to the other side, and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. But I start from here and then I'll just go this way. I'm just gonna spray this onto my hair right here, and I'm just gonna kind of blend it in on both sides. So make sure to get the sides and everything. And I'm gonna go back and like do this part at the end too when I'm like doing my hairline and everything. Okay, next I'm gonna take an inch and take that and separate it. I'm gonna go in with the mousse. This is pretty easy. I like using the mousse If the results come out nice, then I'm going to start getting the mousse more often. Just because it's so much easier, especially with somebody, for somebody with long hair, mousse is a lot more convenient than the other one. Okay, so again, take an inch and put it back. I'm gonna separate my hair down the middle. I'm going to start applying the dye to the rest of my hair. So I'm probably not gonna be talking while I'm applying the rest of the hair dye to the rest of my hair. So I'm just gonna fast forward it really quick just so you guys get a gist of how I do it. It's super easy. I will include it, but super fast. So enjoy. Okay guys, so I just finished saturating all of my hair with the dye. There was more than enough dye for long hair like me. I feel like it was a lot more than I needed, but it saturated all of my hair. Now what I'm gonna do is tie this up into a bun, and I'm going to leave this on for 30 to 40 minutes. So fingers crossed it comes out good, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. So this is what the results look like. I wanted to film this in like daylight, in the sunlight, so you guys get a good idea of what the color looks like. So there is a bunch of different colors. Let me explain to you guys what's going on. The areas where my hair was super dark black, like the roots area, my natural hair color, it turned into like a dark brown color, like, or even a lighter brown color, as you can see. And then the lighter parts of my hair that was already previously dyed turned into an even more lighter color, like a golden blonde color. I love all the colors in my hair, and I hope you guys can get like an idea of what it will look like on previously dyed hair and on like dark hair. You see like the dark brown and the light brown going on here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.